I'm in my hallway on my way out the door. My first look outside, and that's my van, my family van there. Yes. And over there is whatever you think it is. These are cars parked in our back door. In the back. See how covered they are? That's supposed to be the sidewalk. It is still coming down. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Look up there. That's supposed to be the sky. Wow. Let me get back to the house. We're going to the front of my building. This is the front of my building. And I don't even want to zoom that in. Okay, a little traffic out there. Let me retreat onto the house. Okay. Oh, it's a lot of snow out there.
It's all of them in George's car.
All of it? Yeah, it's a lot of snow out there.
You went out there?
Yes.
I bet we can't go out there.
Why not?
Because
Why we can't go out?
Daddy, you can't. Our TV's not working because it's winter outside. Daddy, can we take a
What else?
picture? Daddy, can we take a picture?
I am videotaping because it's snow outside and you have to.
Take a picture.
Why can't we go outside?
Because it was a we cannot go to school.
Can't go to school neither?
Yeah, because it was a snowstorm last night.
How many inches did we get of snow? You know?
3.
3?
23.
23 inches?
Or 5 inches, right?
5.
They said go get that.
Do you know the snow is taller than most of y'all here right now?
Yep.
Yeah.
Taller than that.
So what y'all can do is go write your coloring books and color and stuff and play with your toys that you got for Christmas, okay?
Okay.
See y'all later. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.